Good afternoon. Welcome to our training today. We will be discussing how to create a Charger Path by Handshake account. Throughout this training, I may refer to the platform as Charger Path or as Handshake. The reason for that is that the product is created by the company named Handshake, and our UAH branded platform is called Charger Path. Before we start the actual training, I want to reiterate that if you have any questions about the platform, Handshake offers a variety of useful training guides and technical manuals. You'll find many of the answers to the questions that you may have if you Google Handshake and your problem. You're also welcome to call the Office of Career Services and we can try to help you through. Now let's get started on how to create your account. If you look at your screen, you'll see that there is a web address that you need to navigate to in order to get started. app.joinhandshake.com/employer_registrations/new. After entering that website into your browser, you're going to see the following page come up. It's going to ask you for your email. Please make sure that that is your @uah.edu email address in order to affiliate you with the UAH company side of Handshake. You're going to enter in your password, confirm your password, and then press sign up.
The next screen that you'll see asks them information about you individually. Once you're finished with that, click Next Employer Guides. The next screen will give you more information on the Handshake Employer Guidelines. The first question you'll be prompted to answer asks if you were a third-party recruiter, and so this answer for UAH employees is typically no. You'll agree to the terms of service and then inquire about whether or not that you would like marketing messages, and then press Next, Confirm Email. The next screen you're going to see is going to say, great, you've successfully signed up for Handshake. It's going to send you an email address just to confirm your account. When you check your UAH email account for that confirmation email and you can't find it, be sure to check your spam. Press the Confirm Email button within your email. You'll be brought back to the Handshake platform. It will ask you to join the company, which our company is UAH, and it will prompt you for that. You're going to press the button that says Request, and then Next, Connect to Schools. Since technically your account is called an employer account, it wants you to connect with different schools. This is not a necessary step. You can choose to skip it completely by pressing the Next Finish button. If you see this screen, congratulations, you've made it inside the platform. You're now ready to utilize Handshake.